Believers Radio.
All we have is 3 suspects wearing scarves over their faces.
Nah.
Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop your heat every 4 times of the week. So guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through this LO-FI RnB Trapsoul Drumkit 2021. It's crazy, man. You guys know how we do it on this channel, man. We always kill it. So everything has been nicely processed, as always, man. So all you gotta do is just, drag and drop. Yeah, man, I mean it. So like, yeah, so let me just use metaphors here. So I feel like this is a staircase, right?
And we are slowly, stepping all the way to the top. So you can
choose to come with me, travel with me in this, amazing journey to the top in this quality. So yeah, man. So this is a badass kit. So this kit will actually, this kit will, do the job for you, finish the job for you. So yeah, so before we move any further, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So yeah, that's it, man. So enough with all the talking. So let's go ahead and see what this fire kit has in store for us. So there's like 4 midis in here, 4 midis, guys, to give it that, to hit that drop of, inspiration. Sorry. So I hope it actually inspires you. So I'm gonna change the BPM to 80 here, but you can use whatever BPM you like. So yeah, so I'll be using a BPM of 80. So yeah, let's go ahead and load up the first MIDI. All right, let's hear it. That was the first MIDI. Second MIDI. The third MIDI. The last MIDI. So yeah, that's it. That's it for the midis, man. Straight up fire. So yeah, I hope the midis actually inspire you. And guys, you can go as far as tricking the midis if you don't like what you hear. So yeah, so I just thought I'll mention that just for you. So that's it, man. So let's go ahead and move to the rest of the stuff. So I think I'm gonna do things differently. So let me just start from all the way down here. The snares. The percussion. So the open hatch. kicks. The hats. Claps. And lastly, the 808. So yeah, that's it for the kit, man. That's it, bro. So yeah, so that's it for the sauce. So I hope this kit actually actually helps you, you know, in a profound way. So I hope it actually changes, you know, your production process and actually, you know, make it better. That's all we do here at Believers Records. So I would like to mention that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you guys are down for that, just hit me up on my number or maybe my email and we'll talk. So yeah, so that's it, man. So enjoy the kit, make crazy banging beats with this, and I'ma see you on the next one. Goodbye, stay safe, namaste.